Listen and practice speaking skills.
Good afternoon, Sarah. How are you feeling today?
Good afternoon, Dr. Green. I'm not feeling too well, which is why I'm here.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let's see how we can help you. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I've been feeling really tired lately, even though I'm sleeping a lot. I'm also having frequent headaches and sometimes I feel dizzy.
That sounds uncomfortable. How long have you been experiencing these symptoms?
It's been about a month now. I thought it was just stress at first, but it's not going away.
That's quite a while. Have you noticed any changes in your diet or lifestyle recently?
Not really. I try to eat healthily and exercise regularly. I haven't made any significant changes.
Any new stressors at work or home that might be contributing to this?
Work has been a bit stressful, but nothing out of the ordinary. Home life is pretty stable.
All right. Let's start with some basic checks. I'm going to take your blood pressure and listen to your heart and lungs, okay?
Sure, no problem.
Your blood pressure is slightly elevated, but nothing too concerning. Your heart and lungs sound normal. How about your diet? Are you eating regular, balanced meals?
I think so. I try to eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and grains. But sometimes I do skip meals when I'm really busy.
Skipping meals could contribute to your fatigue and dizziness. It's important to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day.
I'll try to be more consistent with my meals.
Good. How much water are you drinking daily?
Probably not enough. I usually forget to drink water when I'm busy.
Dehydration can cause headaches and fatigue. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day.
I'll make sure to do that.
Excellent. How about your sleep? Are you having trouble falling or staying asleep?
I do wake up a few times during the night, and sometimes I have trouble falling back asleep.
Interrupted sleep can definitely make you feel exhausted during the day. Have you tried any relaxation techniques before bed?
Not really. I usually just watch TV until I fall asleep.
The light from screens can interfere with your sleep. Try reading a book or listening to calming music instead.
I'll give that a try.
Great. I'll also order some blood tests to check for any underlying issues like anemia or thyroid problems. We want to rule out any medical conditions.
That sounds like a good idea.
In the meantime, focus on eating regular meals, staying hydrated, and improving your sleep hygiene. Let's schedule a follow-up appointment in a week after we get the test results.
Okay, I can do that.
Excellent. Remember, if your symptoms get worse or if you notice anything new, don't hesitate to call the office.
I will. Thank you, Dr. Green.
You're welcome, Sarah. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next week.
Thanks, Doctor. See you next week. Hi, John. It's been so long since we last met. How have you been?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, it's been a while. I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
I've been doing well too. Work has been keeping me busy as well. What have you been up to lately?
Mostly work, but I've also started some new hobbies. I've been learning to cook and taking some evening classes in photography.
That sounds interesting. What kind of food do you like to cook?
I've been trying out different cuisines. Recently, I made some Italian dishes, like pasta and pizza from scratch. What about you? Any new hobbies?
That sounds delicious. I've been trying to get into gardening. I have a small garden at home now with some vegetables and flowers.
Gardening sounds fun. What vegetables are you growing?
I'm growing tomatoes, cucumbers, and some herbs like basil and mint. It's really satisfying to see them grow.
That must be rewarding. Do you cook with the vegetables you grow?
Yes, I do. There's something special about cooking with ingredients you've grown yourself. Do you have a favorite dish you've made?
I think my favorite so far has been homemade lasagna. It takes a lot of time, but it's worth it. What about you? Do you have a favorite recipe with your garden vegetables?
I love making fresh tomato and basil salad. It's simple but so tasty. Have you ever tried growing your own herbs?
No, I haven't tried gardening yet. Maybe I should give it a go. Any tips for a beginner?
Start with something simple, like herbs. They don't need much space and are easy to take care of. And always make sure they get enough sunlight and water.
That sounds manageable. I'll give it a try. So, how's your family?
They're doing well, thanks. My sister just had a baby, so I'm an aunt now.
Congratulations. That's wonderful news. Have you spent much time with your new niece or nephew?
Yes, I have. She's adorable. It's amazing to see her grow and change every day. How about your family?
Everyone is good. My brother just moved to a new city for a job, so I've been helping him settle in.
That's nice of you. Moving can be stressful. What city did he move to?
He moved to Seattle. It's a big change for him, but he's excited about it.
Seattle is a great city. I'm sure he'll love it there. Have you visited him yet?
Not yet, but I'm planning to visit him next month. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
I went to the beach last month. It was so relaxing. I love listening to the waves and feeling the sand under my feet.
That sounds lovely. Which beach did you go to?
I went to Myrtle Beach. It's one of my favorite places to relax. Have you been on any trips recently?
Not recently, but I'm planning a trip to the mountains this summer. I love hiking and being in nature.
That sounds like a great trip. Which mountains are you planning to visit?
The Rockies. I've always wanted to explore them. Do you like hiking?
Yes, I do. Hiking is a great way to enjoy nature and get some exercise. Do you have any favorite hiking trails?
There's a trail near my hometown that I really like. It's not too difficult, and the view from the top is amazing. Do you hike often?
Not as often as I'd like, but I try to go whenever I can. It's a great way to unwind. What else do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I like reading and watching movies. Recently, I've been into mystery novels. How about you?
I enjoy reading too. I've been reading a lot of historical fiction lately. Do you have a favorite book?
It's hard to choose just one, but I really enjoyed The Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown. What's your favorite book?
I love Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. It's a classic that I can read over and over again. Do you prefer reading books or watching movies?
I like both, but I think I prefer reading. There's something about getting lost in a book that I really enjoy. What's the last movie you watched?
I watched The Greatest Showman last weekend. It's such an inspiring film. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. The music is fantastic. Do you enjoy musicals?
I do. I love the energy and emotion in musicals. Do you have a favorite musical?
Les Miserables is probably my favorite. The story and the music are so powerful. Do you enjoy going to live theater?
Yes, I love it. There's something magical about watching a live performance. Have you been to any shows recently?
I went to see Hamilton last year. It was incredible. The cast was so talented. What's the last live performance you saw?
I saw Wicked a few months ago. It was amazing. The costumes and the set design were stunning. Do you have any plans to see more shows?
I'd like to. There are so many good shows out there. Maybe we could go to a show together sometime.
That sounds like a great idea. I'd love to. It's always more fun to go with a friend. Have you tried any new restaurants lately?
Yes, there's a new Italian place downtown that I tried last week. The food was delicious. Have you found any new favorite places to eat?
I recently discovered a cozy little cafe that serves the best coffee and pastries. It's become my new favorite spot.
That sounds nice. I love finding new places to eat. Do you enjoy cooking at home more or eating out?
I enjoy both. Cooking at home is fun, but it's also nice to treat yourself to a meal out sometimes. Do you have a favorite restaurant?
There's a sushi place that I really like. The food is always fresh and delicious. What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I think I'd have to say Italian. I love pasta and pizza. What about you?
I'm a big fan of Japanese food. Sushi, ramen, tempura, I love it all. Have you ever tried making sushi at home?
I haven't, but it sounds like fun. Have you made it before?
Yes, I've tried a few times. It's a bit tricky, but very rewarding. Maybe we could try making it together sometime.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'd love to. We could have a sushi making party.
That's a great idea. Let's plan it soon. It's been so good catching up with you, Sarah.
Yes, it has. I've really enjoyed our chat. Let's not wait so long to catch up next time.
Absolutely. Let's stay in touch and make plans soon. Have a great day, Sarah.
You too, John.